Welcome to this step-by-step guide to the Betterment deposit process. Betterment is a financial services company that offers investment and savings products to individuals. Depositing money into your Betterment account is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. To start the deposit process, log into your Betterment account and navigate to the Transfer Money page. From here, you will be able to initiate a deposit from your linked bank account. You will need to have a checking or savings account linked to your Betterment account in order to deposit funds. Once you have selected the account you wish to deposit from, enter the amount you would like to deposit. Betterment does not have a minimum deposit requirement, so you can deposit any amount you choose. However, keep in mind that the more you deposit, the more you will be able to invest and potentially earn returns. After you have entered the amount you wish to deposit, review the details of the transfer to ensure everything is correct. This includes the amount, the account the funds are being transferred from, and the account the funds are being transferred to. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer and the funds will be deposited into your Betterment account. It is also possible to set up recurring deposits with Betterment. This allows you to automatically transfer a set amount of money from your linked bank account to your Betterment account on a regular basis. This can be a great way to build the habit of saving and investing regularly. In addition to depositing funds from a linked bank account, Betterment also allows you to deposit funds via wire transfer or check. However, these methods may take longer to process and may be subject to additional fees. It is worth noting that Betterment has a number of security measures in place to protect your account and your deposits. This includes two-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud monitoring. Betterment is also a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, which provides additional protection for your investments. In conclusion, depositing money into your Betterment account is a simple and secure process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can quickly and easily add funds to your account and start investing for your future. Remember to always review the details of your transfer carefully and take advantage of features like recurring deposits to build the habit of saving and investing regularly.